Alright, hello my fellow weirdos. Here once again with some more information for you guys with some tips and tricks. So today we're actually going to be talking about the Emotional Aromatherapy Kit. So this one consists of 6 different oils. So this one, it comes in the 5ml dropper as well as the touch kit. So there's a touch version, which is basically in a roller ball and it's pre-diluted with FCO. I have this one because I got the convention kit when they announced this, but I wasn't there for the touch one. I'll have to get the touch kit. But basically with this one, you have your 6 oils. There's motivate, cheer, passion, forgive, console, and peace. And basically at the top of the box, you've got this nice little wheel here, and in the wheel there's a bunch of words, and you find 2 words that describe what you're feeling at that moment. You pick the 2 oils on the chart that are closest to those words, and then you smell the 2, and whichever one calls out to you is the one that you need at that moment. So I've had times where it's like I've bounced between console and peace, and console doesn't smell good, but peace does. So then I use peace. And then the next day, I find myself bouncing between those 2 again, and peace smells weird, but console smells amazing. It's pretty incredible the way that it works. But right now, I've been doing these pretty much every single day because my mom passed away at the end of February, so I'm kind of in that emotional roller coaster right now. So I've been using these to try to help me get through it. Basically right now I really don't feel like using one just magically makes that negative emotion go away. What it's doing right now for me is it's just helping me process that emotion so I can get through it as smoothly and healthily as I possibly can without getting consumed by said emotion. So for today, I've been actually using it every day, but today my emotions were angry and hurt. So you can't see it very well, but the 2 oils were console and forgive, and I had been smelling them for a good couple of minutes before I finally realized that forgive was the one that was calling out to me, because they both smelled pretty good. But it took me a little while to realize that forgive was the one that I needed more today. So, yeah, I'm a bit of a mess. So this is my information for today. I will be posting a picture with the actual chart so you can get a really good look at it. I'll be posting that on Facebook and Twitter, so keep your eyes peeled for that. But that is all I have for you guys today. I hope you guys have a wonderful day and this quarantine goes as smoothly as it possibly can for you, and we'll be able to go out into the world soonish. In the meantime, I will see you guys another time, and keep being your awesomely weird selves. Bye!